before we calculate mean, let's have a look to the meaning of mean. What's mean? Mean means average. Mean means average. So to find the mean, we use this formula. Mean is equals to the sum of values divided by the number of values. Yeah, now to find the mean of this one, we use this formula. Mean is equal to the sum of values over the number of values. Based on this formula, to find the mean is the same as the sum of values, means 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 divided by the number of values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 number of values. Yeah, 5 number of values here. When we add this one, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 1 plus 4 is 25. Yeah, this is 25. This is 25. So 25 over the number of values is 5, which means 5. 5. Therefore, the mean is 5. Let me add you one example, related example for you to try. B 2, 6, 4, 10, 2. Now we are asked to find the mean. Yeah, we follow the same procedure. Means equals to the sum of values, means 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 10 plus 12 over the number of values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, over 5. So let us add it together. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. Yeah, this is 24. The sum is 24 here. 24 over the number of values 5. Yeah, 24 over. So 24 over 5 will be the answer, but you can put it in simplified form.